and welcome to Data Analysis with Excel. Today we are going to talk about how to sort or filter records in our Excel sheet, or how to find and select records in our Excel sheet. So what sort and filter does is it helps you to organize your data for easy analysis. So sort ascending tool is used to sort data in an ascending order. Then descending will help you to sort data in a descending order. Very simple. Then filter tool will help you to filter for specific values. Then find and select will help you to find for records or select records. So quickly, let me use the list under the salesperson heading. So I can just either I use the sort tool under the home tab, or I can just right click in any of the cells, go to sort and choose sort A to Z. So you see that my records has been sorted in an A to Z or alphabetical order, or I can sort in Z to A, which will start from Z to A. Right, but if I come to my numbers, I can either sort from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So you see that the smallest number is 0. So the sort tool is very easy to use, and it comes in handy when you want to quickly sort your data or analyze your data. Right, then we have the filter tool. So with the filter tool, you can either select any of the headings, then come to filter tool under home tab and choose filter. So you see that when you click on filter, it will create a drop down button here, or you see that a drop down button is created on all the headings. So when I click on any of the drop down buttons, I can just deselect all and choose only the name bar finding or whatever. So you see that when I click on this, only content for Balfani will be filtered. You see that? Very simple. Or I can just come to geography. Let me see. Is it okay, geography. Then choose any country that I want to filter records for. So I can filter records for the country US. So you see that only records for US will show. So filter is also very powerful when it comes to data analysis. You can just click again and clear the filter from geography. Then finally, let's talk about find and select tool. So let's say I have a lot of records. Let me clear. Okay, so now I have all the records, and let's say I want to look for a particular record. So I can just click on the find and select tool under the home tab. So when I click on this, I choose find. So find, what do I want to find? It can be either a word or a number. So I want to find the geographical location US. So when I click on US and click on find, all countries or all US geographical or all cells that has the value US in it will be highlighted. So you see that all these are, you see, all countries with US are highlighted. So based on my search or based on my find, I can select only cells that has the word US under, or the country US under geography. Or I can search for numbers. Let's say I want to find any cell that has the number 200. So you see that I get this cell. Okay, then you can also select or find and replace. So find and replace, what it does is you can look out for a word. Let's say I want to replace the country US with the country Ghana. So after the first box is find what. It's asking you what do you want to find. So I want to find the country USA, then replace with what? Ghana. So now after inserting my or defining my parameters, I can just click on replace all. So what replace all will do is any word or any cell that has the word USA or the country USA will be replaced with Ghana. So let's try it and see. Right, so all done. We made 53 replacements. So what this means is that the country US was in your sheet 53 times and all has been replaced. So now you see that wherever there was the word USA is replaced with Ghana. Very simple. Let me undo it. So Control Z will undo whatever changes that you do. So Control Z will bring it back to the original state, or you can use the arrows here, undo, then redo. So these are also tools that you can use. Undo means move back to where you originally came from, then redo will move you forward to where you were before you moved back. So if I click on redo, you see that the US has changed back to Ghana. Then undo will bring it back to US. Right, so I can also just choose replace. So replace will only replace one after the other. You see, maybe you don't want to replace every US word or every country US, but you want to do it one after the other. So this is how the find and replace also works. So replace all will replace any word or any country US in the list. Then you can also find all. It will find all the countries US. Okay, so this brings us to a brief description of sort, filter, and find and select. Very simple. Have a nice day. See you in the next lecture.